Get started with your Braun ThermoScan ear thermometer with only a few simple steps. First, remove the case from thermometer. Then, press the power button to turn it on. Once powered on, your thermometer will display the last temperature it measured for 5 seconds. Next, attach a genuine Braun lens filter to your thermometer by pushing the probe directly into the lens filter box and then removing it. Once the lens filter is properly attached, insert the thermometer probe snugly into the ear canal. Then press and release the start button. Your thermometer's exact temp light will pulse while it reads the temperature of the eardrum. Once your thermometer has finished taking a temperature reading, you will hear a confirmation beep, and the temperature will appear on the large display along with a green, yellow, or red color from the fever guidance system. Now you can remove and dispose of the lens filter by simply pressing the eject button. To change the temperature scale between Fahrenheit and Celsius, the thermometer must be turned off. Once it's off, press and hold down the power button for about 3 seconds. The display will then show the different temperature scale options. Release the power button when the temperature scale you'd like to use is shown, and a short beep will confirm the new setting. This thermometer also has a handy nightlight feature, where the display will light up for 15 seconds when any button is pressed. That's all there is to it. Experience easy and reliable temperature readings with your Braun ThermoScan ear thermometer.